All right, Dave, let's go with the blues. So we got some nice bread here, some local New London bakery. They put a little semolina on the bottom for us. And so we're gonna make, my favorite here is like a grinder, sausage and pepper grinder. So what I'm gonna do is, Justin, just put this in the oven for like, just put this in the oven for just a little bit of garlic. Just put it in B's oven, just like in the front part, just for like 1 minute, just to toast that a little bit. Get that butter, get that marinara we put on there, and we could have roasted our own pepper, but you know we do buy some for salads and things. And what I've done is sliced the Orsini's triple hot sausage. This is my favorite way to, you know, you get a lot of grinders, they put whole sausages, they slice them in coins, you know, but to me this is the best. We're good with that, Justin. Just get a little bit of right on. Okay. Take a little bit of the rawness out of it. That's how I actually like it on my pizza too. Not a whole lot of sauce. Okay. Put that right in the slow oven. About 10 minutes. Slow, that's the slow oven, 350. The other oven's about 600, so we'll be right back. Man, I'm on a low carb program, but I'm gonna have a little bit. All right, Paul was just commenting. We got a goner there, but my buddy said he can tighten them up for us, so maybe we can. That's too good a pan. That might have a little bit of life left.
That's a good pan.
Woo!
Oh, that looks nice.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now, I haven't been eating carbs, Paula. But
Sacrifice, Jack. Just a taste.
today's been a pasta day. Look at this now. Oh, that's beautiful. Orsini's triple hot. That's your family's.
That's the way to go.
That's gonna be for me right there. That's it. And I don't know, Paul. What do you want to wait? Want to wait to bite into it? I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. I'm going for it.
Go for it. You go for it. That's too hot.
Wow. It's not really too hot from when it was in the oven, but hot enough. It's my favorite grinder. I did something in Soundwaves magazine. I write an article every month. A few months ago I did the best Italian grinder, a sausage grinder. And it's all about the texture of a sliced. Some places do it sliced. That's my favorite. Some had a different sauce, some had a different bread. But this is really excellent.
How are you?
Not a lot of cheese. Not real gooey, you know, with mozzarella. Oh, we'll have to get you on camera out at the bar.
All right. Sounds
All right?
good.
Bon appetit. Dave, you guys go with the blues here. We're through together a nice sandwich. Peace.